Hello and welcome back to my channel, Ask Nolan. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 6th grade math question dealing with ratios, okay? And two questions, for a matter of fact. All right, let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at this question. On Mark's last test, the ratio of the number of questions he answered correctly to the number of questions he answered incorrectly was 12 to 3. What ratio compares the number of questions Mark answered incorrectly to the total number of questions on the test? All right, so first, let's start out with the ratio that was given. Here's the ratio, 12 to 3. That's answered correctly, right, to answered incorrectly. So when we take a look at the 12 to 3 ratio, the 12 represents the number correct. The 3 represents the number incorrect. So if we want to get a total, we have to add the 12 and the 3. So 12 plus 3, that gives us 15, and that'll be total questions. Okay, so now that we know it's 15 total questions, let's answer the question that they're asking us. It says the ratio, and I'm starting right here. It says the ratio of questions answered incorrectly, so incorrectly to total questions. All right. So the incorrect answers were 3. The total amount of questions was 15. So that's the answer choice we're looking for, which is D. And that's it. Okay. All right. So that's how we do that one. Let's check out one more. Number 8. Number 8 reads, select all of the ratios that correctly compare the marbles in the jar. Well, let's do some counting first. We got to figure out how many marbles are in that jar. Okay. So when we take a look here, let's see. Hold on. There we go. So as we take a look, we'll count them up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 yellows because they're all got the Y. So 7 yellows. And then looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4 greens. Okay. So in total, we can either add the 4 plus 7, or we can just recount just to make sure. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 total. Now that we have that information, we just need to read each answer choice to make sure that the numbers match up with the wording. Okay? So let's take a look at A. The ratio of yellow to green. Yellow to green. Yellow is 7, green is 4, but this says 4 to 7. So this is wrong because the order is not correct. Okay? So A is wrong. The order is not right. Now, B says the ratio of yellow, right? Yellow to total. Well, there are 7 yellows and there are 11 totals, and it's 7 to 11. So that's correct. So this one is right. All right. C says the ratio of green to total. So green to total. Green is 4, total is 11. So this is wrong because it really should say 4 to 11. And let's go back to A real quick. A should have said 7 to 4 like that. So A, the order was wrong. C, the first number was wrong because it should be green is 4. Okay. Let's take a look at D. The ratio of yellow marbles to green marbles is 7 to 4. Yeah, and that's what we just said about answer choice A. So answer choice D is actually the correct order here. That works out. And then the total of green to yellow. So green to yellow would be 4 to 7, which that's what this says. So that's correct too. Okay. All right. I'll see you all later.